Hello everyone, my name is Matt Ramos, and today we're going to talk about embedded AI, what it is, why it matters, and how it's changing the way companies run their processes. Of course, I'll also show you how Pipefy is using embedded AI to make all of this a reality. So let's start with the basics. What is embedded AI? When I say embedded AI, I mean artificial intelligence that's built right into the software that you already use. In other words, capabilities that are built directly into the software applications. Instead of being a separate tool or a plugin, AI is natively integrated into the application's core, allowing it to act inside workflows, process data in real time, and support decision-making automatically. Think of it like having a smart assistant built directly in your car's dashboard, instead of having to carry a separate GPS on your lap. You don't need to switch devices or juggle tools. It's already there, ready to guide you as part of the journey. This makes embedded AI very different from traditional automation. Traditional automation tools rely on fixed rules, manual configurations, and constant maintenance. They can save time, sure, but they are rigid and quickly become outdated when business conditions change. Embedded AI, on the other hand, learns from historical data, understands the context of each task, and adapts to variability. It can interpret natural language, process unstructured information such as documents or images, and act with a level of autonomy that traditional systems cannot match. Well, why does embedded AI matter? Well, because organizations today are drowning in repetitive tasks, fragmented systems, and context-free decisions. Employees waste hours copying and pasting information between applications, chasing approvals, and trying to fix errors caused by manual data entry. Embedded AI directly addresses these pain points. The benefits are clear: reduced manual work, fewer errors, faster cycle times, improved visibility, and more strategic use of talent. Teams can finally focus on high-value activities instead of repetitive operations. It's like moving from a cruise control to autopilot. You're still in the driver's seat, but the system takes care of the repetitive and predictable tasks so you can focus on strategy and direction. And the market confirms this direction. According to Gartner, less than 5% of enterprise applications had task-specific AI agents in 2025. By 2026, that number will reach 40%. In other words, embedded AI is becoming the standard, not the exception. Gartner also predicts that by 2035, agentic AI will drive about 30% of enterprise application software revenue, which is over $450 billion, up from 2% in 2025. These figures highlight the urgency of adopting embedded intelligence to remain competitive. So let's talk about the benefits. Embedded AI brings four main benefits: efficiency by automating repetitive, high-volume tasks; accuracy by cutting down errors caused by manual data handling; scalability by handling more work without simply hiring more people; and accessibility by empowering non-technical users with natural language and conversational prompts. And the use cases are everywhere. In finance, it's invoice processing and approvals. In HR, it's screening resumes or handling employee requests. In legal, it's reviewing documents or checking compliance. In operations, it's monitoring supply chains or resolving incidents. And in customer service, it's routing requests or answering common questions instantly. Pivoting over to the strategic importance, the direction is clear. Embedded AI is moving enterprise software from being simple tools for productivity to becoming platforms for autonomous collaboration. And here's the kicker: leaders don't have 3 years to decide. According to Gartner, software executives really have a 3 to 6 month window to define their AI strategy. Companies that act now will lead, and those that wait will risk being outpaced. Embedded AI is not just another tech buzzword. It's here, it's growing fast, and it's reshaping how businesses run. Now, let's talk about how Pipefy is putting all of this into practice with AI agents, AI Copilot, and AI assistants, all seamlessly integrated into workflows. Pipefy combines low-code automation with embedded AI to deliver end-to-end process management solutions. These capabilities are structured around three main pillars: AI agents, AI Copilot, and AI assistants, all fully integrated with system connectors and APIs. Let's start with AI agents. Think of them as autonomous workers inside your processes. Imagine you had a colleague whose job was to handle repetitive, boring tasks perfectly every single time. That's what agents do. They take on the grunt work so humans can focus on strategy and problem solving. And they act based on your goals, rules, and historical data. They're designed to operate with autonomy while providing full traceability of their actions. Here's a real example. At Isaac, the accounts payable team used to spend about 3 hours every day opening 60 tax payment forms. They used to copy barcodes and amounts into spreadsheets one by one. It was boring, repetitive, and prone to errors. With Pipefy's AI agents, that whole job now takes 1 hour instead of 3. That's a 66% reduction in time. And payments overall are processed 50% faster. That's the power of autonomous embedded intelligence. Repetitive tasks are handled in minutes with accuracy and auditability. Next, we have the AI Copilot. The Copilot brings intelligence to data processing and workflow creation. And the name says it all. It's like flying a plane with a Copilot by your side. You're still in control, but your Copilot helps you navigate, monitor, and even suggests the best route. Even better, the Copilot allows anyone, even non-technical team members, to create workflows using natural language. You can simply describe the process you want, and the Copilot will generate it for you in seconds. And because it analyzes data, it can point out bottlenecks, highlight opportunities, and help you make a better, faster decision process. In short, it's like having a data analyst and process designer available to everyone in your company. The third pillar is AI assistants, powered by natural language understanding. Think of them as the concierge of your digital workplace. You ask a question, they give an answer. You need something done, they make it happen. Just like a hotel concierge helps you book a table or find your way around a city, AI assistants guides employees and requesters smoothly through their tasks. These assistants create a conversational interface for employees and customers. They answer frequently asked questions, centralize information, execute tasks, and help requesters track the status of their demands, all in natural, everyday language. They make intake and request management way faster, cutting down response time and improving the overall experience for employees and customers. By embedding these assistants inside existing workflows, Pipefy ensures adoption is simple and intuitive, without a steep learning curve and no technical barrier. Of course, AI capabilities only generate value if they connect seamlessly with the systems companies already use. That's why Pipefy offers native APIs and connectors for CRMs, ERPs, and legacy applications. Embedded AI operates inside these workflows without disruption, ensuring data consistency, compliance, and security. This integrated approach guarantees that AI isn't just smart in theory, it's effective in practice, working exactly where teams need it. To summarize, embedded AI is not just another technology trend, it's redefining enterprise applications, moving them from rule-based automations to context-aware, autonomous, and collaborative systems. With Pipefy, you get this through 3 pillars: AI agents for autonomous execution, the AI Copilot for intelligent data and workflow creation, and AI assistants for conversational, natural interactions. All of these seamlessly integrated with the systems that you already use. The question for you is simple. Which of your workflows could benefit from embedded AI today? Where could you save hours, cut errors, and free your teams to focus on what really matters? Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see these capabilities in action, I invite you to explore a demo of Pipefy's embedded AI solutions.